Good morning, student. Today I will teach to you chapter 11, exponent and a power. In exponent and power, when a large numbers we can write in another form. Okay, now I take a large number 10,000, and now 10,000 can be written into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means 10 is multiplied by 4 times. Okay, so now we can write this number 10 raised to the power 4. Okay, 4 times we write at the top, and this type of numbers is in the form of exponential form. Okay, तो ये exponential form होता है. How can you read it? कैसे हम पढ़ सकते हैं इसको? We can read it 10 raised to the power 4 read as a 10 raised to power of 4. Okay, 10 raised to the power of 4. And if you want to can write in a prime factorization form में, then what you can write here 10 2 into 5. Now this 10 we can write 2 into 5. This 10 also we can write 2 into 5. This 10 we can write 10 into 5. So here what you obtain 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now this will be 2 to the power 4. And this will be 5 also 4 times. Then we can write 5 to the power 4. Here 2 is a base and 4 is a exponent. Here base is 5 and exponent is 4. Okay, so now this is the exponential form. Okay, this numbers is in the form of exponent. Now students, I take a minus 2 to the power 2. Yeah, minus 2 raised to the power 2. That is the same thing. Here in the base is a negative value, negative integers. Okay. Now in base is your negative integers and its power is positive. So that means what is the meaning? Minus 2 to the power 2, that means minus 2 is multiplied by 2 times. Okay, so now here minus, first we multiply a sign, minus into minus, then what you obtain? We obtained a plus, and 2 into 2, what we obtain? That is a 4. And now how can you write minus 2 to the power 3? So minus 2 3 times multiplied, because its exponent is 3. So minus 2 into minus 2. So now here minus into minus, what becomes? It becomes plus 4. It becomes plus 4. And one more minus 2 are left. And plus minus what is becomes? It is the minus 4 to the 8. So now it becomes a minus 8. Okay. Now in this minus 2 to raised to the power 4, we can write minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 4 times. Now here again multiply of minus 2 into minus 2. So first we multiply a sign. So minus into minus, what becomes? It becomes plus 4. And another here again minus minus multiplication, it becomes plus, and this is a 4. And plus of multiplication, it becomes also plus. It becomes also plus. And 4 into 4, it becomes 16. Okay, similarly, we multiply a minus 4 to the power 5. That means minus 4 we multiply 5 times. That means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So now here 5 times of multiplication of minus 2. So now first we multiply a minus into minus, then we obtain a plus 4. And again minus into minus, what we obtained? Plus 4. And here 1 minus 2 left. Okay. Now next time minus 4. Plus 4 into plus 4. Now plus 4 into plus 4, that is plus 16 into minus 2. Okay. Now here plus into minus, what becomes? Plus into minus, it becomes minus, and 16 to the 30. So what you obtain here? Minus 32. Acha, what are you observe here? If your base is a negative and its exponent is a even number 2, 4, the even numbers, then you obtained a positive value. Here in the exponent 2, that is even, so you obtained a positive value. Here 4, it is also even exponent, then you obtained a positive value 16. But in the case of 3 and 5, 3 and 5 are odd numbers. When your exponent is odd, then you obtain the negative value. And 5 is also odd, same. This is also negative value. So what conclusions you find out? Conclusions that if your base is negative, and that is a even numbers, then positive a even. Okay, and if your negative base and odd, then you obtain a negative a odd. ठीक है, तब जो भी आपका नंबर आएगा वो क्या आएगा? नेगेटिव वैल्यू. ओके, जब ऑड नंबर होगा then you obtain the negative value. When our exponent is even, then you obtain the numbers positive when you explain it. Okay, I think it is a clear. Student, your exercise 11.1 very simple and in many classes are explained here. Okay, I have many classes completed. In many classes is completed. So I will start a next concept of law of exponent. Okay, and you complete 11.1, revise it again 1 times more, and next topic is here law of exponent. Okay, so what is a law of exponent? First exponent law is that a to the power m into a to the power m. Okay, a to the power m into a to the power n, what it becomes? Now a to the power m plus n. What is a to the power m plus n? For any non-zero integer. Okay, a and b. यहाँ पे a और b क्या है? non-zero integer है. ओके, नॉन जीरो इंटीजर मतलब जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए, इट में बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. ओके, First law is that a to the power m into a to the power n. Okay, now this is a m plus n, where a is non-जीरो इंटीजर, मतलब जीरो के लिए ये वैल्यू, ए बेस इसका जीरो हो तब ये फॉलो नहीं होगा, ठीक है, नॉन जीरो इंटीजर। और इसके अलावा जीरो इंटीजर्स के अलावा बाकी सभी इंटीजर्स पे वी कैन अप्लाई दिस लॉ। एंड फॉर एग्जांपल्स आई टेक वन एग्जांपल, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5, what becomes 2 to the power 3 plus 5, and 3 plus 5, what is 2 to the power 8. This is your answer. Okay, now next law is a to the power m for division, a to the power n. That means when a division is going on, that its exponent is subtracted, so we can write a minus n. For examples, okay, here a is नॉन जीरो इंटीजर, जितने भी लॉ है वो उनका बेस जो है नॉन जीरो इंटीजर होना चाहिए, ठीक, नॉन जीरो मतलब जीरो के अलावा, ठीक है, जीरो के अलावा जो है होना चाहिए। तो नाउ हियर एक्सपोनेंट 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3, that means what you can write 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 3, that means use exponent, use subtracted, so 5 minus 3, then it becomes 2 to the power 2, and this will be 4. Okay, so now this is your third law and second law, and this will be third law, that is given that a to the power m, a to the power m to the power n, here a raised to the power m and raised to the power n also. तो जब ये पावर्स 2 टाइम्स है, मतलब पावर टू द पावर, then you multiply the exponent, then a to the power m into n. So now this is a to the power m n. Okay, now for examples, I take a 3 to the power 2 to the power 5. Okay, so what you can write, 3 to the power 2 into 5. Okay, and this will be 3 to the power 10. Okay, this will be 3 to the power 10. Student, now fourth law is a to the power m into b to the power m. Here base are different. Here base are different, but exponent are same. Then you can write a into b to the power m. This means ab to the power m. This means ab to the power m. Okay, so now for example, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 also, or 5 to the power 3. Okay, 5 to the power 3, then what you can write here, 2 into 5 to the power 3. Now this will be 2 into 5, what becomes 10 to the power 3. That means 10 to the power 3, that means 10 into 10 into 10, and its value is 1000. Okay, its value is 1000. Okay, now next, fifth is a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Fourth law is that saying that a to the power m divided by b to the power m. That means what you can write, a the power m upon b to the power m. This means a upon b to the power m. Okay, we can write a upon b to the power m. So for examples, we take a 6 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3. Okay, so how can you write it? 6 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 3. This means 6 by 2 to the power 3, and this will be 3 to the power 3, and 3 to the power 3 is what you can write? 3 times multiplication, and it becomes a 27. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. Okay, one more examples we can write here. Suppose that your base and power are same. 6 exponent. Base a to the power m again divided by a to the power m. Okay, a to the power m divided by a to the power m. That means what you can write? A to the power m upon a to the power m. Here base are same and exponent are also same. That means formula apply a second law. Second law, what is it saying? That a to the power m b to the power m, that what a to the power m and a to the power n. Then what you can write? A m minus n. What you write? A m minus n. That means ये बेस आर सेम, तो पावर क्या हो जाएगा? सब्सट्रैक्टिव, तो पावर भी सेम है, m minus m. m minus m, that means what you can write here? A to the power 0 and a to the power m, a to the power m are same, so it will be cancelled and it becomes a 1. That means one rules are also generated here. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is also very important. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. कितनी भी वैल्यू हो, अगर उसका पावर 0 हो जाता है, that means कि its value is 1. Okay, one more thing I explain here कि a to the power, one more definitions we write here. A to the power next 7, a to the power minus m. Then you can write here in a to the power positive. This will become a positive. Here exponent in the form of negative integers. Then you can write a positive integers, but we write on a denominator. ठीक है? That means 1 upon a plus m. Okay. For examples, that means 2 to the power minus 3. Then we can write 2 to the power plus 3. That means 2 to the power 3. That means 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2. That means 1 upon 8. Okay, we can write a 1 upon 8. तो ये इतनी सारे लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट हैं, और इसको इफ यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड इट and you understand it, then you can solve very easily exercise. Okay, now students, for today it is complete, and for next day I will explain exercise. Thank you.